Do you have a young learner who's ready to take on the world? Scratch is a popular block coding language designed by MIT. Many schools and coding programs teach Scratch, but this course is a little different. We use Scratch to teach the concepts of computer science at the foundation of coding. Now, these are the same CS concepts that a student needs for advanced languages like Python or Java. So the course builds a clear understanding of computer science concepts, not Scratch itself. This is an entry-level course that consists of 18 units. Each unit of the course introduces a computer science concept and its expression in Scratch. Coding exercises reinforce learning, and quizzes test comprehension. Small projects allow learners to apply the concepts introduced in a lesson, while a larger capstone project at the end of the course requires demonstration of the complete coding toolbox. Is this the right course for you? Are you 7 to 10 years of age and have basic math skills? Have you completed the UCode Coding Foundations course? If so, this is an excellent course for you to start your coding career. If you're not sure, please schedule a consultation with an academic director or sign up for a trial class, where an instructor will get you started. Maybe I'll see you there.